Moldova may be small in size, but its natural landscapes are surprisingly diverse and full of charm. Nestled between Romania and Ukraine, Moldova is a country of rolling hills, expansive forests, winding rivers, and quiet countryside that reflects centuries of rural life. In this video, we'll explore the natural beauty of Moldova, from its rivers and forests to its fields and traditional villages, showing why it's a destination worth appreciating for those who enjoy nature, hiking, and scenic views. Moldova's geography is dominated by gentle hills and plains, with elevations rarely exceeding 400 meters above sea level. This gives the country a soft, pastoral landscape that has shaped its agriculture and rural communities for centuries. Vineyards, orchards, and fields of grains and sunflowers stretch across the countryside, often framed by small rivers and patches of forest. This combination of cultivated land and natural terrain creates picturesque scenes that are both calming and visually striking. Rivers play a vital role in Moldova's landscapes and ecosystems. The Dniester River, the country's second longest river, runs along the eastern border, providing water for agriculture, habitats for wildlife, and recreational opportunities for locals and visitors. Its waters support a variety of fish species, and the riverbanks are home to birds, mammals, and rich plant life. Further west, the Prut River marks Moldova's border with Romania, creating fertile valleys and supporting wetlands that attract migratory birds each year. Smaller rivers like the Rout and Bic meander through the interior, linking towns and villages while offering peaceful spots for nature walks and fishing. Forests cover roughly 11% of Moldova's land area, providing habitats for diverse wildlife. Oak, hornbeam, beech, and linden trees dominate many of the country's forested areas, while coniferous trees are found in some higher or specially managed sections. Moldova's forests are home to foxes, deer, wild boar, and various species of birds, including woodpeckers, owls, and migratory songbirds. These forests not only serve ecological functions, but also offer hiking paths and tranquil escapes from urban areas. Some forested areas are protected as nature reserves, such as the Codrii Forest near Străcini, which preserves native flora and fauna while giving visitors a chance to experience Moldova's wild side. The countryside of Moldova is dotted with villages that have retained traditional architecture and cultural practices for centuries. Whitewashed houses with tiled roofs, wooden fences, and gardens full of vegetables and flowers create a sense of timelessness. Walking or cycling through these rural areas allows travelers to experience the pace of life that has shaped Moldova's landscapes for generations. Seasonal changes bring distinct beauty. Spring fills the meadows with flowers, summer offers lush green fields, autumn turns the vineyards and forests into a patchwork of reds, oranges, and golds, and winter brings a serene, quiet charm under a blanket of snow. Agriculture and nature are closely intertwined in Moldova. Fertile soils and moderate climate make it ideal for growing grapes, fruits, vegetables, and grains. Vineyards are particularly iconic, stretching across hillsides in neat rows. The blend of cultivated land with natural forests and rivers creates a mosaic of colors and textures that photographers and travelers often find captivating. Orchards of apples, cherries, and plums are common sights, and seasonal harvests bring local communities together for festivals and traditions that celebrate the land. Moldova's hills and valleys provide opportunities for outdoor activities. Hiking and cycling trails allow visitors to explore forests, riverbanks, and scenic viewpoints. The Orhil Vechi archaeological complex, set within a natural canyon, combines history and nature in a striking way, showing how the land and human settlements have interacted for centuries. Similarly, other protected areas and national parks offer visitors a chance to experience native flora and fauna in relatively undisturbed environments. Birdwatching is another popular activity in Moldova. The country lies along key migratory routes, so many species pass through seasonally. Wetlands, rivers, and forests attract herons, storks, eagles, and waterfowl. Some areas, such as the Lower Prut Reserve, are particularly well known for birdwatching, providing habitats for rare and endangered species. For travelers interested in wildlife, Moldova's nature offers both accessibility and variety without the crowds found in more popular European destinations. Despite its small size, Moldova's landscapes are surprisingly varied. From the gently rolling Kadriai hills to the river valleys and forest patches, every region has its own character and beauty. The combination of agricultural land, forests, rivers, and traditional villages creates a harmonious environment that reflects centuries of human and natural coexistence. Visitors who explore Moldova's nature will find quiet spaces for reflection, adventure, and discovery. Seasonal changes play an important role in the country's visual appeal. Spring and summer bring green fields, flowering orchards, and active wildlife. Autumn turns the countryside into a tapestry of gold, red, and brown, particularly in the vineyards and forests. Winter, while quiet, gives a different perspective, with snow-covered fields, frozen rivers, and the soft outlines of villages and hills. This seasonal variety ensures that Moldova's nature can be enjoyed year-round, offering photographers and nature lovers a range of opportunities to capture its beauty. When visiting Moldova, it's important to plan thoughtfully and research destinations in advance. While many natural areas are accessible and safe, some forests, riverbanks, or rural regions may require local guidance or permits. Roads can vary in quality, and public transportation outside major cities may be limited. By preparing and respecting local regulations, visitors can enjoy Moldova's nature safely and responsibly. In conclusion, Moldova's rivers, forests, and countryside offer a glimpse into a European landscape that is both gentle and rich in life. Its rolling hills, fertile plains, wooded areas, and peaceful villages provide a mix of natural and cultural experiences that appeal to travelers, photographers, and nature enthusiasts alike. Moldova may not be the largest or most famous country in Europe, but its landscapes are distinctive, accessible, and inviting. Whether hiking through the Kadriai, walking along the Dniester, cycling through sunflower fields, or simply enjoying the tranquility of a village, Moldova's nature rewards those who take the time to explore it thoughtfully. Thanks for watching. Have you ever seen Moldova's nature for yourself?